Real-world asset tokenization is revolutionizing how we invest in traditional assets like homes, cars, and artwork. But what is real-world asset tokenization? It's exactly as it sounds. Real-world assets are tangible assets you can own in the physical world, but now they can also have a digital version on the blockchain. Many companies are backing this technology, including Blackrock, the world's largest asset manager. In fact, Blackrock has launched its digital liquidity fund that will boost RWA tokenization on the Ethereum market, targeting a $16 trillion market. We've discussed RWA projects on this channel before, such as ONDO, but today we're going to explore some lesser known but equally promising and exciting projects with huge potential gains in 2024. So make sure you stick around until the end. As usual, this video should not be considered financial advice. We are not financial advisors, so please do your own research before investing your own money. Let's begin with swarm markets. Swarm markets boasts of being the gold standard for blockchain-based finance. Swarm's goal is to make it simple, affordable, and safe for their customers to make transactions with blockchain-based tokens that represent various asset types, all within a regulation-friendly environment. This includes keeping the main advantages of DeFi, which include holding your own assets, clear and open transactions on the blockchain, and connected liquidity. They mix on-chain compliance with regulatory approvals so you can trade legally, join regulated liquidity pools, and discover new financial products and assets in the DeFi space. So imagine trading assets from the traditional finance world using the power of DeFi applications through tokenized real-world assets. Basically, you can trade a market like gold or BTC in a unified market infrastructure. Launched in October 2021, Swarm Markets is meant for both individual investors and large financial groups like banks and hedge funds. The tokens on Swarm are fully backed by real assets like stocks and bond ETFs from traditional financial markets, and these assets are held by professional custodians with the backing confirmed by a token trustee through a detailed tracking and verification process. Transactions on Swarm use the X token, which is an ERC20 compliant token, and the system includes a permission layer, ensuring all transactions meet regulatory standards and maintain user privacy. You can interact with these tokens via a proxy wallet, which consolidates transactions to save you fees. So, if you like the advantages you get with DeFi, like ownership, transparency, and active participation, but also want compliance assurance and future-proof digital assets, then Swarm could be the way to go. But if you're looking for something with more traditional offerings, like a loan or financial investment, then Clearpool could be an option. Clearpool was created to meet the increasing need for loans, but without actually providing collateral in the decentralized finance market. This solves a major problem for organizations looking to borrow through DeFi, and also provides earning opportunities to all types of lenders. It might not sound like the same thing as investing in a piece of a house or artwork, and it's not, but the application is the same. Clearpool is opening up an avenue that was previously closed off due to restrictions on collaterals. So now, borrowing from Clearpool's Prime network does not require the provision of collateral. Simply create a pool with a contract and invite other lenders or institutions to fund your pool. So now, individual small-time investors get to invest in companies only larger investors could before, and big companies benefits from a diverse group of investors without dealing with traditional banks. There are benefits for lenders too. Clearpool Prime Credit Vaults offer lenders better potential earnings and control by allowing them to manage their loans. Additionally, lenders who provide liquidity to borrower pools get extra C-Pool tokens as rewards on top of the interest payments in USDC from borrowers. And borrowers can customize their credit vault with fixed rates and the option to pay off loans at any time, making these loans flexible to their needs. All of this makes Clearpool a pretty competitive and highly appealing platform for everyone. Now, a project like this would require a healthy balance of traditional bankers and fintech gurus. And that's exactly what Clearpool has. The founder is Robert Alcorn, previously the head of repo trading APAC at First Abu Dhabi Bank. His co-founder is Jacob Kronbichler, previously the commercial director at Aspire, an app that helps you deal in multiple currencies to expand your business operations. The third founder is Alessio Quaglini. He was the CEO of Hex Trust and was previously at First Abu Dhabi Bank as well. So the project is in good hands. Let's look at IXSwap next. IXSwap focuses on liquidity pools and automated market making, or AMM, specifically for regulated digital assets like security tokens. It stands as the first platform to link traditional finance with decentralized finance, enabling the trading of digital securities through authorized broker-dealers and custodians worldwide. Tokenizing private assets not only makes previously untapped value accessible, but also enhances liquidity, since these assets can now be traded in fractions. Generally, the returns on investments tend to be higher for assets that are less liquid. You can get started with IXSwap with as little as $1 because it removes the high entry cost associated with investing in major financial assets. They, like these other platforms, want to democratize access to your private assets so you can participate in your first security token offering without breaking the bank. The IXSwap team has experts who have collectively founded over 15 companies with extensive experience in both capital markets and blockchain technology. Julian Kwan, the CEO, is a 7-time startup founder and a strong advocate of a tokenized world for all assets. His entrepreneurial journey spans social media and technology, real estate investment and development, prop tech, and blockchain. And Aaron Ong, the Chief Strategy Officer, brings over 8 years of experience in capital market and investment advisory, having worked with leading banks like UBS, DBS, and the Bank of Singapore. Right now, the private capital markets are larger and growing faster than public markets, though they've been held back by inefficient and non-transparent processes. The advent of blockchain technology is changing that, allowing companies and individuals to tokenize assets through security token offerings, or STOs, and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. The total value of private markets is estimated to hit $15 trillion by 2025. This presents a huge opportunity for both issuers and investors. Issuers benefit from liquidity, the peace of mind that they're sticking to regulatory standards, a streamlined launch process, expansive investment reach, and robust security measures. And investors get exclusive access to new and unique opportunities, complete decentralization and transparency, global accessibility to any projects from anywhere, ease of use, and of course, strict security measures and smart contracts. The platform uses the IXS token, which is directly linked to the growth of its offerings. So as their products and services expand, so does the value of the token. The total supply of IX's tokens is capped at 180 million, with mechanisms in place to reduce the supply over time. So IXSwap, Swarm Markets, and Clearpool each offer unique entry points into the blockchain and DeFi space. IXSwap democratizes investment in major financial assets, making it accessible with as little as $1 and focusing on security token offerings. Swarm Markets aims to be the gold standard in blockchain finance, facilitates transactions in a regulation-friendly environment, blending DeFi's advantages with legal compliance. And Clearpool is transforming DeFi lending with collateral-free loans, offering lucrative opportunities from both borrowers and lenders. Each platform caters to a different aspect of digital finance, from democratizing investment to ensuring compliance and revolutionizing lending. If you're interested in learning more about these projects, we'll leave the links below. Again, remember to do your own research before considering investing. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.